good morning, guys. We're up here at Ebisu circuit. Just about to head to the track. I'm trying to do like daily videos, so I'm just gonna upload from my phone, just try to record as much as I can. I'm not driving today, just gonna go watch some G1 GP, check out North Course, and it should be a fun day. So we're just here watching G1 qualifying. A couple more groups going through. Hayden was in the last group. He had a really good first run, so hoping Hayden qualifies. We're probably going to go up to North Course, watch some runs, and then watch the battles this afternoon for G1. Let's go. Hayden's just had this wrapped and painted. It's looking very fresh, looks just like his UK Chaser now. We'll definitely be drifting with Hayden this weekend. Looks so good. That's Hayden's company, Color Sound Experiment, quite cool. Do really cool stuff all over the world, light shows and sound, so super, super cool. And it sounds really good. Style. Oh, I think he just hit something. There's no way. So, yeah, that's qualifying done for G1. Couple of rippers. Alright guys, just got some fuel at Higashi. I think we're going to do a couple runs on North Course just to give the boys a few laps, just to kind of get settled in for Matsuri, have a little fun, watch some other guys at North Course drift, and then probably go check out G1 GP later today for the comps. But yeah, it should be fun. There's some Russians in a Verosa. Bit of 110 life. But yeah, Mark II is all ready to go. Fueled up, tired up. Let's go. Should be fun, should be fun. Sweet, let's do some laps. All right, we just arrived at North Course. Gonna watch some homies do some laps. Might go out for a couple laps in a bit. Yeah, Michael's about to hop in with S15 Alpha Toshi. So that should be fun. And then I got Hayden out of the track right now. We'll film a couple of his runs. Darnell's about to go out. So, yeah, big vibes, big vibes. right, looks like a couple of the Kansai boys just went out. There's like 3 of them. So we're just waiting for them to come around the track. Hell yes. Okay, we gotta go out real soon. Just did a couple North Course laps. Got some homies still drifting out there. Yeah, it's crazy. So much chaos going on out there. But yeah, let's go do some more laps. So we just went out and did some more runs. It's the end of the day. We're gonna pack everything up and get ready for the actual Matsuri, which starts tomorrow. Good day so far. Got a lot of driving to do for the weekend. So car is all good, and let's keep sending it. Day one complete.